Hello YouTubers, Celtic Ghost here. I'm going to show you a game that I've been playing for quite some time. It's called Mood to Merge. And it has finally reached payout. You can go inside the game and continue. It's a little thing where you match up the game and it pays you. It's reached its payout, and looky here, it's saying that success. Your money is transferred to your PayPal account. Please check in your PayPal account to get them. And I supposedly have made all of these payouts. But lo and behold, when I just checked my PayPal account, there is no money showing there. And it is saying it has succeeded. We will wait and check again tomorrow in case it's just taking time to reach there. I will make another video to update you. If you like what you're seeing and you'd like to see more, please click the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.